Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we are making some dhaba style pasta. So shall we? So first we need a pan, and in the pan I'm adding some oil and some butter. Don't worry, I haven't used the whole piece of butter, and I saved it for later. So now I'm adding a 2 tablespoons of plain flour, and we're gonna move it around in the pan for a few seconds because we don't want to brown this. So once this is nicely done, we're gonna add some milk in it. So it's just like the way we make Alfredo sauce. It's just like that. So now once it's nice and thick, we're gonna turn off the flame and set it aside for later use. Now in a pan, I'm gonna add again some oil and the remaining piece of butter. And once it's nice and melted, not too melted, I'm gonna add one medium-sized onion. So do remember, we don't need to brown the onion, and we just need to translucent it, and that's all. So again, just move it around a little, and yeah, that's all. So now I'm adding some pasta sauce. You can use any pasta sauce that you want and you like. So yes, I'm adding the whole jar in it. In this video you're seeing like I have added half, but no, later on I added the whole jar. And now I'm adding some oregano. With this I'm gonna add some chili flakes, some salt, and a little water to just deglaze the pan. And now I'm adding the white sauce that we made. And now yes, we are adding the whole white sauce and mix it well. And now we're gonna add some more water because I don't want the sauce to be very thick. And now we're adding a little cheese. It depends, whatever cheese you like. I'm adding cheddar, and that's totally up to you. So now we're adding the pasta that we have, and after mixing it well, I'm adding the ketchup. So yes, yes, ketchup. So here we are, the pasta is ready. I hope you like the video. It's a very simple recipe, but yes, it does taste like the dhaba style. So I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and do like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.